Is it time to buy or sell SPDR Gold Shares ETF? In this video, we will explore SPDR Gold Shares in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on the 7th of April, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPDR Gold Shares as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.38. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential shift of approximately 14.3% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 14.3% to 21.09%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 29%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 21.49% to 36.18% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $332.53 and $372.73. Our latest daily update for SPDR Gold Shares includes the headline, SPDR Gold Shares ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The SPDR Gold Shares ETF price fell by 2.15% on the last day, which was Monday the 7th of April, 2025, dropping from $279.72 to $273.71. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.77%, reaching a low of $272.58 and a high of $280.14. Over this period, the price has oscillated, resulting in a loss of 1.28% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day, along with the ETF price, which is typically a positive indicator as volume should align with the ETF's movements. On this last day, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $4.99 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $289.11, while the lowest price was $210.71. Currently, the price is 5.33% or $15.40 below the 52-week high of $289.11, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Today, we are observing significant developments in the gold market, particularly concerning GLD, the popular gold exchange-traded fund. The current volatility has seen gold prices drop by 2.2%, impacted by rising treasury yields and a liquidity squeeze, stirring investor concern and prompting a reevaluation of risk. Analysts note that despite this pullback, firms like Goldman Sachs view it as a prime opportunity for long-term investment, suggesting that a strategic entry point is on the horizon. China's central bank has reported record-high gold reserves, while Poland remains a prominent buyer, further indicating strong international demand that may support gold prices despite short-term fluctuations. This backdrop may enhance GLD's appeal as investors seek a hedge against economic uncertainty. As traders navigate these turbulent times, the potential for gold to rebound remains palpable. Market experts argue that recent dips could lead to a surge in buying opportunities, especially as recession-resistant assets gain traction amid rising market chaos. In the short term, these dynamics might pressure GLD's price, but in the long run, the fundamentals supporting gold investments could foster recovery and growth, ultimately influencing a bullish sentiment among investors. Analysts have provided SPDR Gold Shares ETF with a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned the ETF a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for SPDR Gold Shares. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a negative outlook for the fund. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at $283.97 and $274.86. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and thus far, it has decreased by 5.01%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 68 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPDR Gold Shares. SPDR Gold Shares finds support from accumulated volume at $268.35. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $7.56, which is a change of 2.77% between its high and low. Throughout the last week, the average daily volatility of the fund was 1.80%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This essential metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An exceedingly high PE ratio indicates that the exchange-traded fund might be overvalued. Nevertheless, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPDR Gold Shares is at $279.72. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPDR Gold Shares encounters its first support level at $268.35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop-loss established. Is SPDR Gold Shares ETF a good buy? The SPDR Gold Shares ETF presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, our analysis suggests that SPDR Gold Shares will likely perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our evaluation of this ETF to a negative outlook. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation from hold or accumulate to sell. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we anticipate that SPDR Gold Shares will open higher by $1.77, starting at $275.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.